Hey guys, here I am at the M3. I just finished the air collector bushings, and now I will attempt in this video to screw in one nut. Yeah, this has arrived and it goes there. Yeah, so I'm supposed to do it is tackle it from above. So first let's take off the wiper blades and this cover, something plastic cover, and then let's look around what is under it. Okay, so it's freed up. I will clean it up, but we have one and two screw which holds this things in place, this cable holder or whatever it is. Then if we can move it out, hopefully we can get to that screw. So let's try it. Okay, so I concluded that only loosening this box is not enough. I have removed this whatever guard which goes here. There is one screw here, and on the other side there was one screw there, one screw there, and then it just pulled out, and then voila, there is the screw. Now I can screw in the nut and try and put everything back together before it gets really dark, which is, as you can probably see on the video, it starts to get dark now. I know that it's completely unnecessary, but it was so much work. But it's there, the last nut. Yeah. Oh my god, that was a pain in the ass to do. I can understand now why the mechanic guy did not want to put that back, but I did. Now let's clean up everything and put back everything together.